Uhe ka BJP ha Meghalaya Myntri ha ka sorkar Jylla Bah AL Hek ha ka sngi Baar laong ba ka Jingshah Weng Bah Ernest Mawrie na ka shuki president kdew satia ka Jingresain Jongno Jongno hynrei kdew beit baladei ka por ban bujli. Laban kdew hangne ba ki bor bahalor ka BJP ha ka sngi Nyngkong kila pynbna bala thung no do Rikman Momin badei uhe ka BJP na rilum Garo ha ka jaka jong Bah Ernest Mawrie kum u president bathamai ka Meghalaya BJP.
To do with the resignations of any BJP members. Nothing to do. It's a purely as a timing, and also as overdue, as I said before, it's a long overdue to have the new president of the BJP in the state of Meghalaya. And once again, I reiterated with you, there's just nothing to do with the resignations of any members of the BJP. It is overdue long back to have the new president of the state of Meghalaya. So our party has taken right decisions by appointing the new state president. Mr. Rikman Momin is a very old party worker in the state of Meghalaya, the state leader for BJP. He has contested one also as a MP from the Tura parliamentary constituency, and also was holding the National Council member of the BJP for the last 2 years to 2.5 years. So he is deserving to be the state president of Meghalaya. It is overdue. There is no other reasons. It's completely overdue. It's a right time. That's my name. It came out in the previous term also, but the thing is, in BJP they are maintaining one man, one post. So we have to follow the constitutions of the party. That is obviously BJP is not working for the elections only during the elections. They are working throughout. It's an established party, and a party which has been working throughout the day, throughout, from day to week, week to month, month to year, to ensure that for preparation for any, not only election, for any party organizations also. See, if you are the leader, all the leader, you will see a lot of complaints against. Why you see the complaints? Tell me. The complaint is a part of this work system. It's a routine matter. Yeah? Somebody, they complain me also. They are not doing that. No, that is a part of life. No, this has nothing to do with the complaining of anybody. It's a time, right time, and it's overdue to change the state president. To everybody who are happy or not happy, the party has taken a very right decision, the national party. So make it happy to everybody is not possible to anything, anywhere. Even in a small family also, it is very difficult to make happy to everybody. So forget to make happy in the entire state.